Adding media to your code-based screens. Bring photos and more resources into your app. Make your screens more interesting and informative. See how to use the photo gallery template as a resource. Start by opening a photo gallery that you want to use as a bank of photos for screens throughout your app. Click on the image you want to add to a code-based template to reveal the URL. Then click the Copy URL button. Now open a template that has accessible HTML code. We'll use the Content Editor template as an example. Place the cursor, then select the Insert, Edit Image button found at the beginning of the second row of options in the editor. A pop-up window appears. Paste the URL from your photo gallery selection, then set the width for a value under 300. Notice that the height will adjust automatically to maintain your dimensions. Now click OK. If your image was brought into the screen from an online source, add alternative text in case of a broken link. To see how images can be brought into flashcards or HCJ Builder templates, check out the tutorials for each of those.